I'm here at a local Calgary do-it-yourself shop. They actually have a body shop on the other side, and they've got a couple bays. They've got a couple bays here where you pull in. You can do tire swaps. They have mechanical assistance. They have all the tools. Anything that you need to write or work on, they can do. They can help out with. They can help out with everything, and it's a spectacular price, spectacular service. So with my tire swap coming up this past week, I haven't been able to get in here until Saturday, so I know it's loud, so bear with the sounds, but this is what we're doing today. We're gonna swap some tires. Mike from Metro Ford gave me a set of 4 Michelins for, again, $60. Just a bunch of used tires, and they're gonna work perfectly. I can take the donut off mine, and we are good to go. We're gonna make this quick work because we're on the time limit here. So yeah guys, this is the last tire to be balanced, and you can see they were pretty, not bad actually, not bad at all. 0 0. 0 0. There's the Odyssey, there's the tires. So here we are, kids. I'm here in Canmore, Alberta, and I'm going to get my water. So this is where we look at that view. So this is where we fill up the water. There's a little spout. Me and my buddy Jesse, we've always come out here for our water. It's like you know, I spent the night in on Ghost Lake. So it was so beautiful, and it went down to 6 degrees, so it was nice and cool. I had to get away from the city. I just finished my 2-week tenure of dog sitting and house sitting, and went and picked up Shelly and Nathan last night at the airport, and hung out with them for a little bit of pizza and the kids, and then jetted out to Ghost Lake last night to just get out of the city and disconnect. It felt so good, and the first time I slept in my van in 2 weeks, so it was really nice. And yeah, I just can't say enough about the mountains and what it does. Like, you know, being in the city for this long and coming out here last night, my whole energy changes. All the energy just goes away, and it's just not bad energy, obviously, but just the city energy and the city smells and stuff. And now being out in the middle of the wilderness, it is absolutely the best thing for me. I want to show you guys the little area that I go. Look at this view, like, guys, it's freaking crazy. Anyway, I'll turn the camera around and I'll show you guys my little water spot. So yeah, this is a pretty popular spot. So yeah, that's my van over there. Look at that view, guys. Look at that. That's the Three Sisters over there, right here. I'm running low on battery, so I gotta be quick. Just like literally put a pipe. They put a pipe in the freaking mountain, and the water comes out, and it's just pure, clean, mineral mountain Rocky Mountain water. It's the best water, and I notice such a difference when I'm drinking that water as opposed to tap water, or you know, water you get from Canadian Tire or Savies or whatever they call it. Anyway, that's my water spot. I'm going to be touring around a little bit today. First of the video there, I showed you my sleeping spot, and yeah, I'm just touring around today. I got to make a couple videos and stuff, but it just feels so good to be out here again after a few weeks of being in the city and living that city life. But yeah, on to the next one. I think I'm gonna go stop at Timmy's and get a coffee over in Canmore, and then figure out where I'm going.